Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbonge Nkosi. Ngithembe uthini kahle, niyaphila. Django, in today's video I'm going to do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Richards Bay, the Natal Rich Boys. This is one of the fixtures in the Betway Premiership that doesn't have a draw. All the games that these two teams played, all of them, one team won. It's either Richards Bay or Kaizer Chiefs. In 9 games played, Kaizer Chiefs won 5 times and Richards Bay won 4 times. So it simply means that even at Princess Makoko, we should expect that one team will win this game. There's no way that there's going to be a draw. And for a side of Kaizer Chiefs spending the entire week without playing, sometimes it works against the Kaizer Chiefs, because I think every time when they get to have that momentum, it's either an international break or there was a tournament that they were knocked out early and then they have to watch other teams play. That's what happens. But let's just hope Guti, this is going to be a game that is going to be enjoyable to watch, a game that Kaizer Chiefs should win, because if ever we don't, siyasuka laphana phezulu. Number 1 Orlando Pirates ngicacise nje lapho thina beso number 2, so it simply means ukuthi masingawina ngama goals more singakwazi ukukhuphuka. So ku number 1 emapaleni siyazi ukuthi kuqala uNtshebe Brendan Peterson. Obviously critics will be there because of the 2 blunders that he made against Mamelodi Sundowns, against Golden Arrows, but that doesn't remove all the good deeds that he has done for Kaizer Chiefs, especially in the previous season. And I just hope that he can replicate that form of last season this season, because even this season there's something to play for. There's a new coach, Bafana. There's AFCON that is coming, so that simply means one thing: you have to be on your best form, making sure that the team relies on you again. So konke lokho sikusho ngoNtshebe, yes, is positive constructive criticism, but doesn't make him a bad player after all. And then go left back, it's tricky, because I saw Reef Rosler traveling with the Kaizer Chiefs, so that simply means one thing: good, he's going to be available for selection, but it's a matter of fitness. Good, is he fit? But I feel like good, also this time they're going to use Upule Modi on that left back, even though this time is going to be a different setup whereby we see 4 defenders, not 5, because we are not playing against a team that will force us to defend, but it's a team that is going to sit deep and make sure they play in moments. That's how they usually beat Kaizer Chiefs every time when they get that chance to beat Kaizer Chiefs. So Upule Modi pace is going to be instrumental in making sure he limits Ukumete Utulane, so that it doesn't become that threat going forward, because we know his pace and also he has a skill. So Morimela Spani say experience. I see a coach starting him again. And then left center back Suganin Madoda say yes sir ivikela Mbuso. Tiwa uthanda ungathandi. Umigwele is one of the best defenders Kaizer Chiefs have, because he played with every defender that is there at Chiefs. So he's unshaken. Whether you amthanda or amthanda, angeke agodluke. So uzoba khona laphana, because he commands that back 4. He's very vocal. He has those leadership skills that you need in a match. It's just in his style of play. Most people, they are not fond with it, because he's aggressive. He collects yellow cards for fun, of which it's something that I say he modeled his game around. But I'm not complimenting that. I just hope kuti angakwazi ukukushintsha lokho, because kumenza kube ngazathi he's a bad player, even though he's good laphana, because he's also versatile. And then right center back Osiamena Zita Kwinika, I believe it's another player that keeps on proving that he is a good player, no matter whether you like him or not. It's all about him trying to improve, make sure Guti he doesn't focus on the criticism, but he makes sure Guti when he gets an opportunity he delivers. He's cool, he's calm and collected, and also is comfortable on the ball. You need players like that. If ever there's a chance to build from the back, huyo umuntu angakwazi ukwenzela leyo nto, because uyakwazi ukulibeka phansi alipolice and then wait for number 6 azo collect and then ziyakhala. Nesicathulo sikhona ke la, and akajumpisa umfo, akajumpisa ukuthi yena amakhadi akawathola ngaleyo ndlela, because sibonile against Sundowns ukuthi hey uMetusi nje usinde ngokulayeza laphana. If bengasiloko hawo i-VR beyovele nje ide nayi red card yakho siyamina. Right back, it's another player that has impressed me at Chiefs, Thabiso Monyane. I used to think that he's injury prone, but at Chiefs it looks like he's very happy that he cannot afford to miss a game, not unless it was the coach's idea which I want to change and rotate the squad. But I like his input, what he gives Kaizer Chiefs going forward, and also tracking back and helping defend. That balance, it is very important. Now it's another player I believe ukuthi if ever nje angaba consistent njengoba i-VIP ingekho Vurvaya alimele, he stand a chance to be selected to that right back position alongside uMathuludi and uSibelebele. But take nothing away from him, he's very good lapana ku right back. Number 6, awusokanini madoda, inkunzi midwa yidwa, Ox the Bull. Indoda ihlezi improve each and every game. There's something new as introducer kuyi. I just wish nje ukuthi angathi surprise nje ngegoal. Hiyo nje into eshodayo kwi game yakhe. But doing his primary duties is very efficient for a player of his caliber, because he was often criticized of not being able to turn, to have that progressive movement going forward. But he keeps on picking up on that, making sure that there are signs of improvement. That's what you need in a player. Defy the odds. Don't relax just because you have a talent. Work your socks off in each and every game. Yeah, lana ke ulangibona ngazathi there will be a change, a slight change in that number 8 role, because I feel like they are going to start Undlovu, try different combination, because lega maboy and Ox ayisebenzi. Ngayibukisisa, no, it doesn't work. So with Ukachane, I believe he has that ability to go forward, and also he can assist defensively. He's a box to box. When you are talking about a number 8, a box to box that can attack and also defend, he has those qualities. So obviously he had a good game against Mamelodi Sundowns. The coach wouldn't drop him because no, we have Umaboy. Grootman. Na kunama games la ubonga ukuthi ayakekho egamini. Now uyadinga ukuthi akaphumule, akabuke nje, and then uzobuya, because I believe ukuthi ama players sometimes workload either too much and they get overwhelmed. They won't perform in each and every game. But take nothing away from Olebohang Maboy. But Undlovu, I believe he's going to start this one, and Umaboy, he's going to sit this one in the bench. And then number 10, Yabuya Ngwenya madoda. Mduduzi Shabalala, I believe ukuthi uzoqala against Richards Bay. You need a player that is going to make those runs, since well you want to attack, and obviously they're going to deprive us of width, as they know we will want to attack using width. So you need that narrow or central penetration, because if bazo apply low block, you need Umdodai to make those runs. I just hope ukuthi nje uzoba clinical in front of goal. But akukho ngakusho Umdodai uyabuya, he scored against Khukhune. Obviously kancane uyozafika nje kule level esifunayo. Nendlela enimcriticize ngayo ayigcine seninciphisa abafowethu. Lezi zinto lezi ziyaba affect abafowethu la emqondweni. uHenrik Gerich angeke njalo yena uzoba nemsebenzi ukuthi kumele akhanselane nabajida because of thina siyabathuka in none just because they get paid. No, ayispan kanjalo. Aviator madoda, left winger sikhuphuka ngolangelihle phili. He scored against Mamelodi Sundowns. The confidence is high. So a player that is oozing in confidence, you cannot put him in the bench, but you need to start him because he'll make things happen for you. And we know Guti, he'll be tasked with the responsibility of taking on players, cutting inside if there's an opportunity, score. That's the kind of a profile that he is. That's why he's right-footed, but he plays on the left. So you just know Guti, there will be less crosses, but more attempts in shooting. So that's what you can expect from Aviator Ulangelihle Phili. Number 9 sikhuphuka ngalo ke lapha AK47 ivolovolo. Bandile Dube, I believe ukuthi this system is going to benefit him the most because he is a false 9 and also he can play wide, so that's an advantage with him ukuthi if ever zingikheqile ku striker ngisengaya ku number 7 yodlala winger, but as a false 9 we also benefit more than abo Ighodaro, abo Silva, because it needs energy and you need to drop deep and then also start making sure ukuthi you join the attack going forward and being in the right place at the right time to score those goals. That's what happened against Kruger United. He scored those 2 goals because he was making sure ukuthi he is that threat inside the box. He's very mobile. So I believe ukuthi AK47 uDuba laphana uzobe amele nje laphana enza sure ukuthi ayiphumule idefense yayo laphana eRichards Bay. Even though abomcineka akukho lula ukudlala against bona because mabathi bayimisela and take nothing away from abomcineka. And then right winger is going to be Komebut Luke Bartman. This season is showing what he's hungry. So in a game like this, you need someone that is going to offer a different variation from what Mfundo Vilakazi might be giving you, especially in that right wing. Let's make it clear ukuthi ku left winger we cut inside, ku right winger kuba nama crosses, because there you make sure ukuthi you don't become predictable ukuthi obvious makalibamba uzofuna ukukhatha inside ayajabula ama opponents because uyalaba kufuna khona vele udlalela intendeni esandla sabo. So I believe ukuthi uBartman naye if ever naye there's an opportunity he might also score, because ukukora kayi-1 kumnandi because kukwenza ukuthi ufuna uthola amanye ama goals. Yingakho he was crying when we were playing against Sekhukhune United, his first goal for Kaizer Chiefs. So I believe against Richards Bay he might also surprise us with a goal if ever nje igame iyasivuma. Kodwa ke nazi bafethu ukuthi ongekho ku starting 11 kusho ukuthi kuma subs. Khuluma ngabo Chislet, abo Mfundo Vilakazi, abo Ighodaro, abo Mtasingwa, abo Maboy. You can name them bafethu. Mloyisane. So I believe ukuthi we also need a strong bench that we know very well ukuthi mazikhala nge-starting 11 abo Mfundo Vilakazi will bail us out. Abo Flavio da Silva, if he's fully fit, they will bail us because we know ukuthi they are good readers of the game. Tango, ikhosi aliphela umoya.